You've already seen how to create posts and pages within your WordPress website. However, you're probably not that happy with the way that your site looks at this present moment in time. It's a little bland, and let's face it could use livening up a little bit. To do this, simply go to your dashboard and you'll see on the left hand side that you have the option for appearance. Either click on this or hover over it and select themes. You will see that you have two themes installed by default. To change the design on how it looks at the moment, you can simply activate the other theme. If we now go and look, this is what the website looked like before. Now if we refresh the page, you will see the layout and design has changed. This may still not be the way you want your website to look. There are simply hundreds of thousands of themes that you can choose from in order to get your website looking in the way that you want it to work. If you click on Install Themes, you will see you have the option to search, where you have a number of options that you can choose how you want your website to look. Anything from colors, columns, width, features, and subjects. You also have the ability to upload, which we will show you in another video. WordPress offers featured themes. It will show you the newest themes and those that have been recently updated. If we look at the featured themes, you will see you get a thumbnail to choose what you would like your website to look like. In this case, the responsive theme looks very business-like, and I do believe that it would work quite nicely for a business. However, I don't think it would work very nicely for Alan's Vintage Books. To the right here, we have one called Pinboard. Now, Pinboard has a nice background, has a nice area for an image, 3 areas for text and images below, and a nice area for social media icons. As the owner of Alan's Vintage Books, I'm going to choose this theme and I'm going to choose to install it. Before I do, I can preview the theme to see how it will look. There's a lot of work to do, but I do believe that without too much work, I can make this look nice. If we go to close this, we can also see details of the theme. And it says, a crafty and elegant theme powered by an advanced theme framework and grid system. With virtually unlimited layout options, the styles ideal for showcasing your portfolio or works or other multimedia elements like images, photo galleries, videos and podcasts. All of which we have planned for Alan's books. I'm going to install this by clicking on Install Now. WordPress will then go off, download the theme, unpack it, and install it. If it successfully installs, you will see that the theme has successfully installed. You can then live preview the theme, and it will show you, based on the content of your website, what your page looks like if you click to go live right this very moment. As you can see, we don't have a lot of content yet. However, it does look quite good. On the left hand side, because we're previewing, we can make changes, and these changes will show in the preview before we make the changes to our actual website. As you can see, this is the title that we put in when we installed WordPress. This is the tagline that we chose, and we can choose to display or not to display. We can change the colors, so we can change the header text color. And if we choose something quite bright to demonstrate, you can see that the header text has changed. We quite like that in a dark grey. We can choose to select a background color. However, I quite like the background color as it is, so we will leave it alone. We can select a background image. We can upload an image of our own to replace what is the parquet flooring behind. We can also choose to repeat the background, so we can use a smaller image so the site loads faster. We can tile the background. We can tile horizontally or vertically, We can position the background to the left or the center or the right, and the background attachment can either be fixed or scrolled. If we change it to scrolled, you'll see that it scrolls with the website. If we change it to fixed, it stays where it is. We can also choose whether to have our blog posts showing on the home page or whether we choose a static page. For a business website, we always suggest that you go with a static page. In this case, we have one page set up, which is Alan's classic, which is the classic books page, and you can see here that it's changed straight away to the classic books. We can also select which page our blog posts show up on. We haven't yet created a blog page, so we will have to do this within the dashboard. However, I do think that we can do a lot with this theme, so I'm going to choose to save and activate the theme. WordPress tells us that the settings are saved and the theme has been activated. So when we go in here, we should see no surprises, because when we refresh the page, it should look exactly how it looked when we did our preview. And there it is. And that is how you change your theme in WordPress using the free themes that are available through the WordPress website. In another video, we will show you how to upload a new theme so you can use premium themes from premium suppliers.